Step into a world where healing and joy intertwine, where the gentle caress of the ocean's salted breeze cleanses your spirit, and the radiant sun envelopes you in its comforting warmth. Welcome to the beach, a sanctuary of solace and renewal, where the boundless ocean holds the power to heal our hearts, minds, and souls. As you set foot on the soft, powdery sand, a sense of tranquility washes over you. The rhythmic lullaby of the crashing waves beckons you to release your worries and immerse yourself in the beauty of the present moment. Here, time stands still, and the worries that once burdened your soul are carried away by the tide. The salt-kissed air, infused with a touch of magic, works its wonders, purifying your being from within. Each breath you take is a gentle reminder that you are alive, that you have the strength to overcome any obstacle that may come your way. The salt cleanses not only your body but also your spirit, washing away the residue of life's trials and leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. Bask in the embrace of the sun, as its golden rays dance upon your skin, infusing you with a newfound energy. Its warmth seeps into your very core, melting away the remnants of stress and fatigue. With every ray that kisses your face, you are reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead, of the dreams waiting to be realized. But it is the ocean, vast and mighty, that holds the key to true healing. As you surrender to its gentle embrace, a profound sense of peace envelopes you. The ocean's rhythmic ebb and flow mirrors the beating of your heart, synchronizing your being with the natural world around you. With each wave that crashes upon the shore, it carries away the burdens that weigh heavy on your soul, leaving you feeling lighter, freer,